Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today's stream, there is in fact a fair few things I want to talk about. First of all, Bitcoin reaching a new high of $90,000. Yes, guys, earlier this morning, we did actually see Bitcoin reaching a record high, a new all-time high of $90,000. Okay, so that's absolutely amazing to see. We know this week alone, Bitcoin has been reaching new all-time highs. Okay, it went from $74,000, 75, and then it jumped to $77,000, and then it jumped to $81,000, to 83, to 84, and then about $85,000, and then 87, 89, and just earlier this morning it went from $90,000. So this week time period has been absolutely amazing for Bitcoin, and not just Bitcoin, but also altcoins, right? We are in fact seeing a lot of altcoins pumping. Okay, Dogecoin, right? Let's talk about Dogecoin. I will talk about Dogecoin for today's stream as well, because there is in fact some massive news happening right now for Doge. So I do in fact want to, of course, talk about it. Okay. And not just Dogecoin pumping, also other meme coins, okay, and other altcoins in general like Solana, Chainlink, okay, and many more, right, are in fact pumping up to the upside, guys. So crypto overall has been looking absolutely amazing. We know, guys, we are in fact in the next cycle, right, the next bull cycle. We are, obviously in a bull market. So everything is about to pretty much go up from here. So yes, guys, today I want to talk about Bitcoin, give you guys an update, what's happening with Bitcoin, of course. I want to talk about Doge coins because some massive news is happening right now for Doge. So I do, of course, want to talk about it because it's going to be very, very important. Okay, and this is going to be very, very huge news for Doge. Very, very bullish for Doge. Okay. Yeah, and as usual, there is in fact some charts that I do want to show you guys. Okay, so give the stream a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. That is always appreciated, and let's begin. So Bitcoin, $86,000. Okay, 86.9, just below $87,000. So yes, let's clearly see if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we did actually see Bitcoin going as low as $82.8 thousand. Okay, and this was earlier. Actually, this was yesterday, right? So yesterday we saw Bitcoin going as low as $82,000, just below $83,000. But then Bitcoin did spike back up. Okay, it did spike back up, and apparently Bitcoin did just touch $90,000, which means it did in fact reach a new all-time high. Okay, a new all-time high. So you just clearly see right here if you guys don't believe me. Okay, Bitcoin apparently broke $90,000. It just touched 90K. It just like snippet. It just touched it, right? You guys can clearly see that. And now Bitcoin, okay, is in fact gone back down. So obviously, guys, okay, Bitcoin is slightly going back down. Nothing too crazy in my opinion. Like when in doubt, zoom out, and you guys can clearly see like Bitcoin has been forming this beautiful uptrend, right? You guys can just clearly see that. Okay, Bitcoin has in fact been going up. Okay, and it will continue to go up. But understand, guys, along the way, we will see corrections. Okay, this is completely normal. We don't just see it going up straight away, like forever, right? It's not just going to always go up. We're going to see corrections along the way. So that is exactly what Bitcoin is doing right now, right? It's breathing a little bit, right? Let Bitcoin breathe. You know what I mean? It's been pumping a fair bit. So let it breathe, guys, right? So this is healthy in a way. Okay, it really, really is. We're not going to see it pump straight up. Okay, so understand, okay, what we are seeing right now, okay, is Bitcoin having a small correction back down to the downside. It's just a flush dip. Okay, it really, really is. That's what I like to call it, and see it, right? It really is a flush. Okay, so it's having a little correction right now. Bitcoin is slightly breathing, but understand it will continue to go up to the upside, and I really do believe, okay, very, very soon, right, that we will see Bitcoin reaching $100,000, right, all the way up here. That's going to happen very, very soon, guys, and I hope you guys are truly prepared for it, because it's about to happen at any moment now. And I will talk more about Bitcoin reaching $100,000 for today's stream. There is in fact a fair few charts that I want to show you guys indicating in its program that Bitcoin will reach $100,000 very, very soon. Okay, so someone says here, do you hold Doge? Yes, I do. Okay, fun fact, guys. Okay, when I first started investing into crypto, right, it wasn't, Bitcoin. That was not the first coin that I invested in, surprisingly, right? You guys may be surprised, but yes, it wasn't Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana or Chainlink or Polygon or XRP, right, or Avalanche. Okay, it was Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin was literally the first ever crypto coin that I invested in when I got into crypto, which is surprising. Right? I'm surprised myself. I don't know why I didn't buy Bitcoin first, right, or Ethereum, right? Because those two are obviously the basics, but okay, they are very, very safe, especially if you want to get into crypto for long term, as you should, right? So it was Dogecoin, guys. Okay, Dogecoin was literally the first ever crypto coin that I bought, and then it was Ethereum, and then it was Bitcoin. A lot of you guys don't know that, but yes, Dogecoin was literally the first ever crypto coin that I invested in when I got into crypto. Okay, so that's a lot of fun little fact. And yes, guys, last cycle for Dogecoin, it shot up. Yes, I obviously took my profits, but understand, guys, I still have a fair bit of Doge from last cycle. Okay, I still kept them, guys. No joke, right? I didn't sell all my Dogecoins, okay? Like, honestly, we saw how much Dogecoin has dropped. What was the point of selling Doge, right? I simply just held it, okay? And obviously, right, if we go to the Dogecoin chart, you guys can clearly see how much Dogecoin has pumped up to the upside, right? You guys can just clearly see that. It looks absolutely amazing for Dogecoin, right? Looking amazing, right? This beautiful uptrend that we saw for Dogecoin is fantastic. Okay, you guys can clearly see Dogecoin is gaining back its momentum, right? The community for Dogecoin is coming back. I love the Dogecoin community. I really do believe this is one of the strongest communities out there for crypto. Okay, for Doge. If you go on X, it's trending, right? Everyone's posting about Dogecoin. Everyone's posting back at memes. It's pretty much like deja vu. Like back in 2021, right? We know back in 2021, there was a lot of hype with Dogecoin, and that is pretty much coming up. That hype is truly coming back for Dogecoin because of what truly happened today. And we know, guys, right, this week alone, Dogecoin has pumped over 100%. I believe over 200% for the past month. For the month, right? For this week alone, Dogecoin is up over 100%. Okay, so Dogecoin has been pumping, and you guys can clearly see it is gaining back its momentum. So yes, to answer your question, I still hold Dogecoin. Okay, I still have a bag of Dogecoin. Okay, I am still going to continue to buy Dogecoin. Dogecoin has a lot of meaning for me personally because yes, it was in fact one of my first ever crypto investments that I made when I got into crypto, which was Dogecoin. Like, honestly, without Dogecoin, I don't think I will be in crypto. That's the thing. Okay, because back in 2021, I did FOMO into Doge, right? Everyone was talking about it, and I got in. I made a fair bit of money, right? And I took my profits, obviously. Okay, and I'm glad I did because Doge did drop massively, okay? But I still held most of my Doge, okay? So, guys, I still have a bag of Dogecoin, okay? I didn't sell all my Doge. So I am still holding Dogecoin. I am continuing and planning on buying more Doge. I don't want to miss this opportunity, and you guys should not miss this opportunity as well for Dogecoin because this is going to be massive for Dogecoin, right? I really do believe in this bull cycle, this bull market. Dogecoin will reach to $1. I know a lot of you guys, okay, the Dogecoin holders watching this right now, you guys want to see a $1 Dogecoin, right, all the way up here. And it's going to happen. Okay, we're going to see Dogecoin reaching back up to its previous highs and, of course, reaching a new high at $1 and above $1, right? I personally do see Dogecoin reaching $1, okay? And it's finally going to happen, most likely this bull cycle, right? And a lot of people are in fact saying that we're going to see Dogecoin reaching over $1, right? So we will see what's going to happen with Dogecoin. Okay, we're still in 2024. We know next year, 2025, will be fantastic for Bitcoin and crypto overall. So obviously if Bitcoin is pumping, other altcoins will be pumping, which means Doge has huge opportunity to reach $1. And this news that I'm about to share with you guys, okay, about Dogecoin, okay, this massive news, it's going to push Doge up to the upside 100%. At this point, Dogecoin is no longer a meme coin, okay, because it has utility, okay, it really, really does. So, yeah, Bitcoin looking pretty good today, not too bad, 86K. The crypto market today, okay, slightly down, okay, pretty much 4%. Global crypto market cap now below, okay, 2.9 trillion, just below it, 2.89 trillion right now. Past 24 hours, Bitcoin is down 2%, Ethereum is down 6%, Solana is down 7%, BNB is down 6%, and look at Dogecoin down 9%. It seems like this is a great opportunity right now to buy some Dogecoin. Okay, it really, really is. Right, for the past week, Dogecoin, okay, at one point was up over 100%. Right now it's at 90%, but at one point, I remember a couple of days ago, like two days ago, it was up like 100%, over 100%, like 120%, which is insane. And look at this, guys. For the past month, Dogecoin is up over 200%. Over 200%, guys. Just think about that, right? And it's the sixth largest coin out of the entire crypto market. And I remember seeing this about 2 days ago that Dogecoin flipped BNB by market cap. So Dogecoin was actually at number 5 and BNB was at number 6. Okay, obviously switch right now, but I do believe Dogecoin will flip BNB once again, putting the spot at number 5. Okay, we'll see what will happen. But a fair few alts are in fact dropping. You guys can clearly see that, right? For the past 24 hours, we are in fact seeing a fair few altcoins, including Bitcoin, slightly down 2%. And a lot of altcoins are down like at least over 10%, right? And this is completely normal because you guys can just clearly see for the past week, a lot of these altcoins, okay, are down, like 10%, 20%, even some 30%, right? So it's understandable why today we are in fact seeing a correction for altcoins, including Bitcoin, a small correction, right? 2%. Okay, this is completely normal, guys, right? This is healthy. Okay, we don't see it going up straight away, right? Yes. Okay, when we are in fact in a bull run, guys, along the way, we're gonna see corrections back down to the downside, right? Let everything breathe a little bit, right? And that's exactly what the market is doing today. Okay, for the past few days, this week alone, the crypto market has been pumping like crazy, guys, literally, right? So let the market breathe. And that's exactly what the crypto market is doing today, right? So that is that. But guys, getting into the news, okay, I want to get straight into it, right? So Trump taps Dogecoin fan Elon Musk to lead Doge agency with Vivek. This is pretty much very, very bullish for Dogecoin. Okay, if you guys really think about it, Dogecoin is like no longer a meme coin at this point. It has real utility. Okay, it really, really does at this point, right? I think it's safe to say that Dogecoin is no longer a meme coin, even though yes, okay, Dogecoin, is the king of meme coins. Okay, and Dogecoin was created back in, I believe, 2013 or 2014. I think it was 2013. Okay, by some random person. Okay, and it was created as a joke, right? It had no utility back then. Okay, but now, okay, Elon Musk is clearly doing something, right, with Dogecoin. And we all knew this was going to happen, right? That Elon Musk was in fact going to be doing something with Dogecoin. Okay, and this is obviously, very, very bullish for Dogecoin right now. Okay, it really, really is. And guys, right, Dogecoin has survived 3 cycles, I believe. 3 cycles. Dogecoin survived 3 cycles. Just think about that. Let that sink in, right? And it's a meme coin. Just think about that, right? Dogecoin is literally no longer a meme coin at this point, right? So this is very, very bullish for Doge. This is obviously huge news right now for Dogecoin, right? So yes, Trump says Musk and Vivek will lead government efficiencies group, okay? And this is obviously very, very bullish for Doge. That's why there's a lot of hype with Dogecoin right now. If you go on X, if you just go on social media in general, everyone is talking about Dogecoin, right? So it seems like the hype for Doge is finally coming back. Just like where we saw it back in 2021, that hype, okay, was starting to fade, okay? But now it is back, guys, in 2024, right? So pretty much over 3 years later. Okay, so there is huge potential here for Dogecoin, and that's why a lot of people are in fact putting long positions for Dogecoin, and I don't want you guys to miss this opportunity. Okay, and later today, guys, I will make a video. Okay, I'm not going to say too much about it, but there will be a second upload today. I already uploaded a video today, right, over an hour ago, so if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. I really would appreciate that. I already talked about, what's happening with Dogecoin with this huge news, okay? So if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But understand there is going to be another video uploaded later today, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is amazing news for Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin surges 20% after Trump announces a Department of Government efficiencies. Okay, so absolutely amazing to see for Dogecoin. That's why there's a lot of hype around Dogecoin. That's why pretty much Dogecoin is pumping. And I don't know if you guys know this, but there is rumors that apparently Elon Musk bought Dogecoin. He put about $45 million, okay, into Doge, which is, a lot of money, but for Elon Musk, obviously it's nothing to him. That's like barely anything, right? We know he's the richest person in the world. He's obviously a billionaire, multi-billionaire. So $45 million is nothing. But apparently people are in fact showing that, there are in fact these transactions with Dogecoin. And apparently it's coming from, Elon Musk. Apparently Elon Musk is buying up Dogecoin, right? And maybe, right, just maybe, like nothing is confirmed yet, but maybe guys, that's why for the past week, we are in fact seeing Dogecoin pumping up to the upside. This option that we have in fact been seeing for Dogecoin, maybe this is Elon Musk pretty much buying up Dogecoin because of this pump. Okay, now remember guys, these are just rumors. It's not confirmed that Elon Musk actually bought Dogecoin, $45 million worth. Okay, these are just rumors, it's not confirmed, but obviously someone out there is buying a whole bunch of Doge, and Dogecoin is obviously pumping like crazy for the past week. Okay, and obviously it's having a correction right now, right? Y'all can clearly see that, which is understandable, right? We're not going to see Dogecoin pump straight up. Okay, it's healthy to see corrections, guys. And usually, right, when we see a meme coin or any other crypto coin, especially low market cap ones, pumping, and we don't see any correction back down to the downside eventually, then that's going to be a rug pull, right? So understand it's healthy to see corrections, guys. So that's exactly what Dogecoin is doing right now. Okay, so yeah, this is very, very bullish. Okay, this news, okay, very, very bullish. And look at what Elon Musk posted on X. Okay, he posted this, right? So huge news for Dogecoin. Okay, huge news for Dogecoin, guys. Okay, so for all the Dogecoin holders out there, get ready for Doge to reach at least $1. And speaking about Dogecoin reaching $1, look at this chart, guys. Right, this chart is just indicating and showing us that Dogecoin is programmed, okay, to eventually reach $1 and beyond. Eventually, right? Sometime, most likely next year, 2025, we're gonna see a $1 Dogecoin. For all the Dogecoin holders out there, this is exactly what we all have been patiently waiting for. It didn't happen last cycle, even though yes, last cycle, right, everyone was talking about a $1 Dogecoin. It didn't happen clearly, right? But this time around, for this bull cycle, I really do believe there's a huge potential that Dogecoin can reach $1. Like, think about it. For the past week, it pumped over 100%. For the past month, it's up 200%. In a month, guys, 200% Dogecoin pump. So there is huge potential that we will see a $1 Dogecoin this bull cycle for sure. Okay, so get ready for that. Very, very exciting times right now for Dogecoin. Obviously, the community, they are very, very excited for Doge, and I hope you guys are excited for Dogecoin. I mean, how can you not, right? So that is that. And guys, look at this. I want to show you guys this because this is very, very interesting. So we all know about the Dogecoin millionaire, the slum Dogecoin millionaire, whatever his name is. Okay, we all know who he is, right? And remember, guys, back in 2021, his Dogecoin portfolio was over $3 million, it went as high as, I believe, $3.1 million. And guess what? He didn't sell, sadly, right? And obviously, like, in a short amount of time, that $3 million turned it into, like, I believe $400,000, somewhere around there. So he was no longer a Dogecoin millionaire. But he posted this on X, okay, and he says here, my Dogecoin is now worth $2.1 million, which is insane. Remember, guys, this guy, okay, he didn't sell his Dogecoins last cycle, right? So this cycle, let's see what happens. Okay, I honestly hope this guy does not get married to Dogecoin, Meaning, I hope he takes his profits this time around, right? I hope he learned a lesson, and I hope he takes his profits, right? You always got to take your profits, guys, right? You got to take some out at least. This guy didn't take anything out, I believe, right? So it's crazy. But look, he's a Dogecoin millionaire once again, okay? And that's that, right? This is looking amazing for Dogecoin, okay? And everyone was hating on this guy, everyone was literally hating on him. Obviously it's understandable, but he is now a Dogecoin millionaire. So we can't say too much, guys, right? And I hope, okay, the slum or pro the Doge, okay, has a plan this time, right, to take some profit, right? He doesn't have to sell all his Dogecoins. I get it, right? You want to hodl some of your Dogecoins, and I get it, right? Dogecoin in the future, guys, like long term, it could be worth multiple of dollars per Dogecoin, meaning it could be worth $5, $10, who knows, right? We will see, okay? But I'm talking long term here, like we will see, guys, okay? Especially if this news coming out, right? There is huge potential to get some Dogecoin and hold it for long term, right? That's just personally my opinion. I'm not telling you guys to buy some Dogecoin and hold it, but personally, I'm gonna do that, right? So it's understandable why Pro the Doge is holding and hodling, I should say, his Dogecoins, right? But this guy is now back to a Dogecoin millionaire, which is absolutely amazing to see. Okay, absolutely amazing to see. So good for him. But guys, let's talk about Bitcoin. Okay, so I already talked about this in previous videos, but retail interest, right? Retail interest is sparking back up, and you guys can clearly see Bitcoin Google search volume hits a yearly high. Retail is returning, and I can relate to that because I know people personally, okay, that are now talking about Bitcoin. And by the way, these guys, okay, they are not into Bitcoin. They are not true Bitcoiners, okay? They are not in the crypto space, right? They are literally asking me questions about, should I buy Bitcoin? Should I buy it now? Do you think Bitcoin will drop? And when it drops, should I buy more? Should I buy now? Like all these type of questions, right? So retail interest is sparking back up, which is a huge indication, a signal that the bull run is here. And we know it's here, guys. Like we are so back, right? The bull run is officially here. The bull market is here, guys. Okay, we are obviously in the next cycle. So obviously, this is very, very bullish. Okay, so understand, okay, a lot of people out there are now talking about Bitcoin. News articles are talking about Bitcoin reaching new highs and crypto in general, right? Dogecoin, look at it now, right? There's a lot of hype with Doge right now, okay? So understand, okay, retail interest, okay, is sparking up and people are now coming back. And it's weird, right? I want to say it's weird because we're going to see FOMO and it's normal, right? But understand, guys, the reason why I say it's weird is because we got to buy, guys. Okay, a lot of people, okay, they don't want to buy when it's crashing, when it's dipping, when we're in a bear market, when we're in the reds. It's quiet, right? Not everyone's really talking about it. That's when you're supposed to buy in. But a lot of people like to do the complete opposite. Okay, when we are in fact in a bull run, when it's in the greens, everything's pumping, we're in the next bull cycle, everyone's talking about it, right? That's when they want to buy in. It's called FOMO, fear of missing out, right? A lot of people that don't want to buy in when we're crashing, when we're in the reds, when we're in a bear market. That's when you're supposed to buy in to gear up for the bull market. But a lot of people like to do, the complete opposite. They want to just FOMO in, right? So retail interest is spiking back up, guys. Okay, so this is a huge signal that we are in fact in a bull run. Okay, now look at this, guys. Okay, Bitcoin reaching $100,000. Okay, Bitcoin, okay, soon above 100K is programmed. Okay, Bitcoin is heading towards the blue line of the golden ratio multiplier. So looking at this chart, you guys can clearly see this is going to lead Bitcoin to a $100,000 mark. Okay, even over $100,000, right? And as I told you guys many times, I do see Bitcoin reaching at least $100,000, right, towards the end of this year in 2024. Okay, I really, really do, guys. I really do believe that is very, very possible before the year 2025. So understand, sometime, I'm gonna say it here, right? Sometime next month in December, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a 100K Bitcoin. Sometime next month in December, honestly, I would not be surprised if we see Bitcoin at $100,000, to be honest with you guys, right? So I truly do believe that Bitcoin has huge potential to reach $100,000 towards the end of this year in 2024. I still think that is still on track, right? Like earlier this morning, we did see Bitcoin reaching $90,000. Okay, a new high, 90K. Think about it. It is not too far off from reaching 100K. In 1 week, guys, Bitcoin went from what, like $73,000 all the way to $90,000. Think about that in a week, maybe just over a week. Just think about it, right? So Bitcoin will easily reach 100K at the end of this year in 2024 if it pumps this much with this pace, right? So get ready for that. And look at this, guys. I want to show you guys this. Okay, this Fibonacci retracement level, you guys can clearly see we touched $90,000 earlier today, right? So that's very, very bullish. We touched 90K, okay, and you guys can clearly see the next target, $114,000, okay, with this Fibonacci retracement level, right? So $114,000, guys, for Bitcoin. At any moment, I am telling us right now, okay, at any moment, we will see Bitcoin at 100K and beyond. And a lot of people may think, 100K is going to be the top. No, guys, right? We still have the entire year of 2025. Remember, 2025 will be a fantastic year for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, 2021 was amazing. That's when we were obviously in a bull market. 2017, right, was amazing. Okay, and of course, back in 2013 was fantastic. We're going to see the same thing for the year 2025. So understand, guys, Bitcoin, yes, is reaching new highs. Okay, a lot of altcoins are pumping, like Dogecoin. Understand, this is just the beginning. Literally, this is just the beginning of the bull market. It's just starting, guys. Okay, Bitcoin will reach $200,000, $250,000, $280,000 to $300K and beyond. You don't believe me? Just you guys wait, because it is going to happen. Okay, we will see Bitcoin at least reaching $200K to even $300,000. So get ready for that. Okay, understand this is just the beginning. Okay, it really, really is, guys. And look at this, right? It seems like every single time in Q4 we do see a pump, right? 2012 of Q4, what did Bitcoin do? It pumped. Same with 2016 of Q4, it pumped. Same with 2020. Okay, it pumped. This Q4 for 2024, we're going to see the same exact thing. And Bitcoin will reach, okay, to $100,000. Okay, we are in fact going to see a massive parabolic move happening for Bitcoin, just like in previous times. Remember, guys, okay, history does sort of repeat itself, okay, and rhyme. Okay, it really, really does. So I hope you guys are ready for this, because it is about to happen. We're going to see Bitcoin reaching new highs in the 6 weeks. Okay, and I hope you guys are prepared for it, because we're going to see a massive parabolic move. Now, look at this, guys. MicroStrategy stock has surpassed its previous all-time high. Okay, you guys can barely see it. There you go. So, you guys can clearly see, yes, MicroStrategy, okay, the stock has reached a new all-time high, and this is, of course, the Bitcoin effect, right? Bitcoin has obviously been pumping, okay, and of course, MicroStrategy is going to pump as well, and that's exactly what it did. It reached a new record high, okay, and this is obviously amazing, right? And MicroStrategy, they recently, a couple of days ago, I believe just about 2 days ago or just yesterday, they actually, bought more Bitcoin, right? And I believe MicroStrategy, they own about 280,000 Bitcoins, almost 300,000 Bitcoins, which is insane. Okay, so y'all can clearly see this is truly the Bitcoin effect. We know how bullish Marcus Saylor, right, is with Bitcoin, right? He's obviously the CEO of MicroStrategy, okay, and he's very, very bullish. I want to say he's a Bitcoin maxi, because he is, right? And yeah, he has accumulated a whole bunch of Bitcoin. So this is the Bitcoin effect, guys. Okay, this is what happens when you buy Bitcoin, pretty much, right? So get some Bitcoin if you haven't already. Now, look at this, guys. Tesla now owns $1 billion in Bitcoin. That is a lot. That is a fair bit, right? It really, really is. Now, back 2021, I believe mid 2021, we saw a correction happening for Bitcoin. Let me just show you guys here. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So mid 2021, around this time, when we saw this crash happening for Bitcoin, this right here, okay, the reason why we saw this correction back down to the downside, right, is because pretty much Tesla, they sold off Bitcoin, I believe, at the time, right? And yeah, as of right now, they own $1 billion in Bitcoin, which is insane. Okay, that is absolutely huge. But yeah, guys, this is huge news right now for Dogecoin. Okay, massive news for Doge. I hope you guys are excited for Dogecoin and for its future. You know, this is a game changer for Dogecoin. Okay, it really, really is. Obviously, okay, this has to do something with Dogecoin, right? Because we know Elon Musk, okay, is pretty much all in on Dogecoin, right? And like I said, okay, we all knew Elon Musk was going to be doing something with Dogecoin eventually, right? So he is obviously doing amazing things with Doge. He is making Dogecoin no longer a meme coin. He's making utility for Dogecoin, right? And he has said many times that Dogecoin, right, is better than Bitcoin. Okay, I disagree on him with that one, but that's coming from him. Okay, I don't know if you guys have seen that clip, but that is what Elon Musk has said. Now, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I will do like a little Q&A before end today's stream. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know now, and I will be happy to answer them. If you guys have anything that you want me to answer, I'll go ahead and do that before end today's stream. But guys, even though yes, we aren't facing a flush today, right, a small correction for, you know, a lot of these altcoins, including Bitcoin, I really want you guys to, you know, take this as an opportunity to buy, right? So this is huge. Dogecoin is gaining back its momentum. You guys can clearly see that, right? It has pumped. Like if it goes for past 7 days, like Dogecoin has pumped massively past month. Just look at that, right? Literally a week ago, Dogecoin was at like below 20 cents. Now it's at 38 cents, guys. So this is massive for Doge. Okay. So yeah, there is rumors, okay, that someone is buying up Dogecoin. Who knows who it is, but a lot of people are saying it's Elon Musk himself, right? Putting in $45 million for Dogecoin. And that's why, most likely that's why Dogecoin is pumping this much, right? Like it's pumped massively, you know. So who knows? But this is, you know, huge news for Dogecoin. Okay, it really, really is. Memes. So there are some meme coins pumping today. Look at Floki, 18%, 19%. Bonk, slightly up 4%. What is this? Why is this up? Wow. What is this meme coin? This has pumped so much. That is crazy. I feel like a lot of memes will, you know, perform very, very well, guys, in the next bull cycle. Clearly, right? If you obviously, you know, want to make a lot of money, okay, you got to take risks, right? But you got to do your own research, guys, and understand when you're trading into these meme coins, you have to understand, you know, the risks behind it. Because yes, okay, high risk, high reward, I get that, but it's really, really risky, guys. Because if you're trading into any meme coin, it could literally go to zero in a matter of hours, literally, even minutes, right? So you got to be very, very careful, okay? But I really do believe Dogecoin, of course, Shiba Inu, will perform very, very well in the next bull cycle. They are the leading meme coins, especially Doge. Pepe, Dog with Fat, huge potential as well. So keep your eye, guys. Keep your eye on meme coins, because this is mainly where all the millionaires are made, right? With meme coins, okay? Mainly, right? Especially in this generation, like nowadays, right? Usually when you see crypto millionaires, you don't really often see it from like altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, or anything like that. You mainly see it with meme coins, like overnight millionaires. Okay, it's from meme coins, and that's why a lot of people have FOMO for meme coins, right? But understand the risk behind it, guys. Like for me, when I'm investing into crypto, okay, I just stick with the basics, right? Which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, I obviously invest into other things like Solana, Dogecoin, right? And of course, Chainlink. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink. And yeah, when I'm trading, I do trade, meme coins as well, right? So that is that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like I said, I will upload a second video today. If you guys haven't seen my most recent video that I uploaded today, you should definitely check it out. I really would appreciate that. But yes, guys, later on today, okay, I will most likely upload another video, and I really want you guys to watch that video because I feel like it's going to be very, very important. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. More videos will, in fact, be coming your way. I will keep you guys updated on the market, of course, like I do every single day, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, today was amazing. Okay, huge news right now for Doge. Okay, so if you guys don't want to miss this opportunity for Dogecoin, you better get in now. Okay, and this is not financial advice or anything like that, but if you want to take this as an opportunity to make money, because we are here, guys, to make money, right, with crypto, and I don't want you guys to miss this huge opportunity. We're about to enter one of the biggest bull runs of our lifetime, and we are in the beginning of it. Like, this is just the beginning. So it's about to happen. This is literally your final moments to decide to get in the game or not, right? It's up to you. You want to stand on the sidelines and just watch everyone make life-changing money? Go ahead, right? But this is your final warning, guys. Okay, so that is that. But guys, go ahead and end this one. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.